Dear students, here properties of triangles, exercise 10a, second section, seventh problem. If C is equal to 60 degrees, then show that first one A by B plus C plus B by C plus A is equal to 1. Second one B by C square minus A square plus C by C square minus A square equal to 0. Here you observe here, if C is equal to 60 degrees and if C is equal to 60 degrees is given, then we want to show that A by B plus C plus B by C plus A is equal to 1. Second problem, B by C square minus A square plus C by C square minus A square equal to 0. So here what we will given that, we have given that C is equal to 60 degrees. Okay, we have given C is equal to 60 degrees. By the cos rule, what is C square? C square is equal to A square plus B square minus 2AB cos C is there. This is the cos rule. By using this cos rule, C square is equal to A square plus B square minus 2AB cos 60 degrees is there. So what is cos 60 degrees? Cos 60 degrees is equal to 1 by 2. We know this one. And C square is equal to what? A square plus B square minus 2 into AB into cos 60 degrees value 1 by 2. 2 cancel. Then C square is equal to what? A square plus B square minus AB is there. C square plus AB minus AB. You take this side. Then C square plus AB is equal to what? A square plus B square. Here we have the condition C square plus AB is equal to A square plus B square, or A square plus B square is equal to C square plus AB. Then you take first problem. So first problem, what is first problem? A by B plus C plus B by, this is C plus A. C plus A. So this one you can take LCM B plus C into the C plus A. So A of C plus A plus B of B plus C is there. So this is implies A into C. AC plus A square plus B square plus BC by BC plus R B into C plus A plus C into C plus A. So here you can write, so AC plus A square. Here you observe A square plus B square is equal to, A square plus B square is equal to what? C square plus AB. So AC plus, this is C square plus AB. C square plus AB plus, here BC is there. BC is there by, this is BC plus, this is AB plus C square plus AC. You can write order in numerator. This is AB is there. Next plus BC is there. Next AC plus C square. Denominator AB plus BC plus AC plus C square. Here you observe denominator numerator is same. So by the cancellation of this is equal to 1. Then what we conclude that? That is A by B plus C plus B by C plus A is equal to 1. Is equal to 1. That's it. Here we have given If C is equal to 60 degrees, then show that A by B plus C plus B by C plus A is equal to 1 completed. Then what we will have remaining? B by C square minus A square plus A by C square minus B square is equal to 0. We have the condition C is equal to 60 degrees. Then we have the condition C square is equal to A square plus B square minus AB. Then second problem, what is the second problem? We have to write LHS. So LHS, that is B by C square minus A square. Second problem, C square minus A square plus A by C square minus B square. Then here C square is equal to what? C square is equal to A square plus B square minus AB. So C square minus A square is equal to what? That is B square minus AB, and C square minus B square is equal to what? That is C square minus B square is equal to what? A square minus AB. So here we have, so this one, this is B by C square minus A square plus A by C square minus B square. So C square minus A square is equal to what? B square minus AB. C square minus B square is equal to what? A square minus AB. Then this is B by B square minus AB plus A by, this is C square minus B square is equal to A square minus AB. From this one you can take common denominator B. From this you take common denominator A. So this is implies B by from denominator B common. So B common, what we will have? B minus A plus, this is A by, from denominator A common, we will have A minus B. A cancel, B cancel. Then 1 by B minus A plus 1 by A minus B. So this minus common denominator, minus 1 by A minus B plus 1 by A minus B. This one cancel, equal to 0. Then what we conclude that? That is B by C square minus A square plus A by C square minus B square is equal to 0. This is the conclusion. Okay, all of you. Here, dear students, here properties of triangles, exercise 10a, second section, 8th problem. If A is equal to, A is to B is to C is equal to 7 is to 8 is to 9, find cos A, cos B, cos C. A is to B is to C is equal to 7 is to 8 is to 9, find cos A is to cos B is to cos C. So here we have given that A is to B is to C is equal to 7 is to 8 is to 9. So this is given. So what is A? A is equal to 7k. Let you take A is equal to 7k, B is equal to 8k, and C is equal to 9k. Then by the cos rule, what is cos A? So cos A is equal to what? Cos A is equal to B square plus C square minus A square by 2BC. By substituting these A, B, C values, cos A is equal to B is equal to what? 8k whole square plus C is equal to what? 9k whole square. A is equal to what? 7k whole square. By denominator 2 into B 8k, C 9k. Then cos A is equal to what? Here numerator, this is 64k square plus 81k square minus 49k square by denominator 2 into 8 into 9 into k square. Okay, all of you. So in numerator k square is common and denominator is k square is there. So cos A is equal to what? K square of 64 plus 81 minus 49 by denominator 2 into 8 into 9 into k square. K square get cancelled. What we will have? So this is 64 plus here 49 is there. Sorry, 81 is there. 81 minus 49. This is 11. 11 minus 9, 2. And here 7. 7 minus 4 is 3. So 32 by this is 2 into 8 into 9 is there. So what we will have? Cos A is equal to 96 by 2 into 8 into 9 is there. So this is 4 2 ja 4 24 ja 4 2 2 ja 4 4 6 ja. So 6 by 9 3 3 ja 3 2 ja. So this is equal to 2 by 3. Then what we will have? Cos A is equal to 2 by 3. Cos A value we will get the 2 by 3. So next we have to find cos B value. What is cos B value? Cos B is equal to what? This is A square plus C square minus B square by 2AC is the cos B. Then cos B is equal to A square. A is equal to what? This A is equal to 7k. So 7k whole square plus B is equal to 8k. So C is equal to 9k. So 9k whole square minus B is equal to 8k whole square. 8k whole square by 2 into A. This is 7k into C 9k. 9k. So cos B is equal to 49k square plus 81k square minus 64k square by 2 into 7 into 9 into k square. So cos B is equal to k square common 49 plus 81 minus 64 by 2 into 7 into 9 into k square. K square get cancelled. Cos B is equal to here you have to observe 49 plus 81 minus 64. This is 11. 11 minus 4. 11 minus 4 is 7 and 7 minus 6 17 by 2 into 7 into 9 equal to 9 plus 7 16 1 66 by 2 into 7 into 9 is there. So here 3 3 ja 3 11 3 22 ja 3 22 ja 2 11 ja. So what is 11 by 7 3 ja 21. So cos B is equal to what? 11 by 27. Cos B is equal to 11 by 27. Then you have to write next cos C. So this is cos C. What is cos C? Cos C is equal to A square plus B square minus C square by 2AB. So cos C is equal to A value 7k. So 7k whole square plus B value 8k. So 8k whole square. 8k whole square minus C square is there 9k. So 9k whole square. 9k whole square by 2ab. 2 into 7k into 8k. So cos c is equal to 49k square plus 64k square minus 81k square by denominator 2 into 7 into 8 into k square. Cos c is equal to k square common 49 plus 64 minus 81 by 2 into 7 into 8 into k square. K square get cancelled. Cos c is equal to here 49 plus 64 9 plus 4 31. This is 113 minus 81 by 2 into 7 into 8 equal to this is 3 minus 1 2 11 minus 8 11 minus 8 3 11 minus 8 3 by 2 into 7 into 8 is there. So this is 13 3 minus 1 3 minus 1 2 2. Okay, this is 8 4 ja 32 and 2 2 ja that is 2 by 7. Cos c is equal to what? 2 by 7. Then you have to find cos a is 2, cos a is 2, cos b is 2, cos c is equal to what is cos a? Here cos a we get the 2 by 3. So this is 2 by 3 is to cos b. What is cos b here? 11 by 21. 11 by 21. This is 21. So this is 11 by 21 is to what is cos a? What is cos a? Sorry, cos a. This is cos c. Cos c. So what is cos c? 2 by 7. You observe here denominator 3, 21, 7. So LCM of 3 comma 21 comma 7 is 21. So you have to multiply total ratio with 21. So 21 into 2 by 3 is to 21 into 11 by 21 is to 21 into 2 by 7. 7 3 ja 21 cancel. 3 7 ja 7 2 ja 14 is to this is 11 is to this is 3 2 ja 6. Therefore what we will conclude that cos a is to cos b is to cos c is equal to 14 is to 11 is to 6 is the answer.